Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and clearing at least 10 GB of disk space. Drivers and Windows updates should be current. Next, choose an edition based on budget and features, Express for free use or Developer for full capability. Once decided, download the SQL Server installer and create the service account and admin credentials you will use. Follow the installer, pick Basic or Custom. This gets the core installer running, so you can move into configuration without delay. Run Setup, exe and select Database Engine Services plus Management Tools when prompted. For authentication, decide Windows only for integrated security or mixed mode if you need SQL logins. Set a strong SA password when using mixed mode. Then configure your instance name, default or named, set data/log file paths to fast storage, and assign least privilege service accounts. Once done, install SQL Server Management Studio so you can connect, test a local login, and verify services are running before creating databases. Finish by applying the latest cumulative updates and enabling TCP/IP in SQL Configuration Manager so remote clients can connect. Create your initial databases, configure automated backups and integrity checks, and schedule maintenance jobs. Test connections from client machines and enforce strong user roles. If something fails, inspect the SQL Server error log and Windows Event Viewer first. Verify firewall ports, default 1433, service account permissions, and instance name resolution. One clear fix often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.